Huh? Where am I? If I remember correctly, you and the others were talking until that strange ship, and then what happened after that? This place is giving me the creeps. It's pitch black, humid, and it stinks. Something slimy. Numemon ya? What is this small, cold, jiggly stuff? There's more than one. Hey, Yui, takut to Yui. What? What this is? Apa tuh guys? Numemon gak sih guys? Kayak Numemon dah. Emergency, emergency, brake for impact. Cargo ejection to the... Ah, kargo. Dibuang guys. Oh iya, kargo dibuang ya. North Bridge on Mother Continent. Let's see. Do you remember being on the bandit DG ship? I heard something about an emergency, but was the ship under attack by someone? I don't think it was attack. I think that someone may have someone. Well, I mean the burden was it was this. Oh dia ya, yang mencet anjing. Gila dia tergoda sama tombol exit anjing. Gak jelas banget si Hiroyuki. Kocak juga nih cerita guys. There's something I still need to tell you. What is it? I see, I get it. Agumon is also the type who sees a button and needs to press it. Be quiet. Yes, mom. Sorry, mom. First, as you know, we don't have our own DJ set, which means it will be a while before you're able to return to your world. Huh? Then how did you come to our world? Did Agumon hitch a ride on the bandit digiship? But don't worry, we'll be okay if we just go to where my friend are. Then we can find a digiship of our own. Oh, kita nyari ini ya, kapal nih guys, digiship. Oh, kita dikasih digivice. Mana cara tahu nggak usah kasih nama ya guys. Apa kasih nama guys? Kasih nama kali ya. Kasih nama deh sekali-sekali. Let's go Jang. I like it. Sunda habis bos. What? Ini bisa balik guys. Oh sama kayak ini ya di Board DS. Backplate. Apa guys maksudnya? A key item for any tamer pack full of useful function of raising Digimon. Oh, ini kayak ini ya. Kayak World DS. Save dulu gak sih? Save dulu ya guys. Itu 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anjir 8 cok. Ini banyak nih guys Digimon ya. Max level 20 maksudnya. Oh max level gue 20, ntar harus di ini lagi gitu. Cryptid Family Dragon. Gak ada cok. To poison, death, paralysis, confusion, and sleep. Boleh juga nih. Boleh. Oh, jadi Geogre. Wah, harus jadi Geogre dulu ya, guys. Revived Greymon. Berat kayak guys. Save dulu gak sih? Tadi guys, save dulu. Lama nggak save. Yuk, let's go. Aduh, gak ada jalan. Ini bisa digeser gak sih? Oh, bisa guys.